Hi everyone, my name is Bikash. You are most welcome in my YouTube channel English Garage. Today I am going to teach you some slangs in English. Do you know what is slang? Slang means something that is commonly used. So during this course of time I am going to teach you first slang, and the first slang is grub. Grub means to have food, means थोड़ा भोजन करना. For example, let's get some grab. And second slang is nos. Nos means to have light food, means हल्का फुल्का भोजन करना. For example, she is nosing on potato chips. And the third slang is to have sweet teeth, means to like something sweet. For example, my little brother has sweet teeth, means मेरे छोटे भाई को मीठा पसंद है. And the fourth slang is doggy bag. It means a kind of bag that is used to carry leftover food. For example, if you do not eat all the food, you should carry them in a doggy bag. And fifth slang is veggies. Veggies means vegetables. If you are health conscious, you should eat more veggies. Catch you later.